I was driving down Atlantic Street in Brooklyn when I noticed a young guy pull up beside me. He looked up toward the sky, maybe distracted, maybe plotting his next move. I figured he thought I'd know when the light changed, so he could zip in front of me. But I waited. A blur of an MTA bus flew by. Then the light turned green. Bam! The young guy drove right into a second MTA bus and ran the light. He ran into the right side of the bus and got dragged by the wheel. I couldn't believe it. Traffic pushed me forward, but my mind was stuck on what just happened.